Yo guys, welcome back to a new video. My name is New Blaze, and today we are going to be playing this game. It's called Escape Animal Head. So let's get right into it. Let's go. Okay. So damn. So it's pretty much gonna play the exact same like the other game, like that Escape Running Head game, bro. Come on, man. You should have done better, bro. Bro, that's a monkey. Bro, that was a monkey. I used to use that. That's a monkey. That's a gorilla. Bro, that's a monkey. Bro, where's that pretty checkpoint over here? That's what the noise? That's the noise at the... Stupid monkey. Actually, I'm excited to go to Lake Compounds, because tomorrow I'm going to Lake Compounds with my friends Kareem and Ali. But monkey, I hate this stupid monkey. Wait, I'm not playing this game. I didn't see that. Oh no, he's right coming over here. Oh no. Oh, this man's trying to outsmart me, bro. Oh, he's trying to outsmart me, bro. How a stupid idiot. Frick you, monkey. Stupid monkey. Oh, I literally saw the exit, which is over here. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I choked on my own saliva. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. I choked on my saliva, but let's go. Bro. Okay. Bro, you trash, kid. Bro, this man trash, though. Oh my god, that was insane. But I just like this game I just like the way that this game has absolutely no music, no audios at all. Just this freaking casual walking and like the casual walking animation. And when he dies, it's like the raw bit. Alright. Okay. Come here, bud. Bed bug. Ooh. I dodged that guy with all my might though. Oh my god, it's one of these. They trying to pull off. No, I almost got tricked. Welcome. Wait, this guy is smiling. The other guys don't smile. And then it's over here. I didn't even know that was a trick though. I thought it wasn't a trick. I thought it was just like a normal jump. That's what always gets me with these zombies. Bro, it's like, bro, I think they're just copying the exact same levels as like the Escape Running Head guy. Felipe! Look, you gorilla monkey, like a blaming a foot. Son of a chicken wing! I'm cracked. Okay, finally they're adding Bacon Boy. What's up, my Bacon Boy? I'm Billy. Can't get me because I'm Billy, bro. Let's go. Oh, I'm a freaking Billy. Freak you, monkey. Wait. What the fudge? Let's go! I can't believe I got that. Bro, I jumped over that guy's head, but that's insane. He's a monkey! Let me go. I'm back, my guy. Hey! Obnoxious snob. Obnoxious snob. Look a pack of rocks, mate. How did I not die? What level is this? Stage 4. Bro, I know how to play this. Bro, I'm pro. I'm literally god at this game, bro. I was literally about to quit, bro. I thought I was off camera, bro. I put the new 40s on the Jeep. But I put the body bottles to somebody. Cause I'm a homie, got it out the streets. Cause there's a gorilla guy right there. Oh my god! Okay, let's go. No, 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 Sabaji. I spent dollars about salty, get the brand new phone on. Your face. Oh my god, I did not die because I'm so bro. Let's go skate 5, my G. And I fucking got what the frick is this Bro, I'm too tall. Bro, I'm too tall for this guy. Nah, bro. Nah, it's just tripping, bro. Dude, I'm so tall, bro. Yo! Bro! I'm too tall! Bro, I'm too tall, man! Dude, I can't get through, bro. Wait. I got something up my sleeve. My sleeve. Alright, I changed my avatar on the Roblox website. So now I'm like a miniature Billy now. Okay, am I short enough? Okay, I'm tall enough to jump over. But I made it past the other guy, bro. Okay, I'm just jumping over them. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh my god, how did I not die, bro? Oh, how did I not die? I keep up the Billy spirit. Keep on going. I see who you are. You are my enemy. My enemy. You are my enemy. Let's go. We're at the boss already? Damn, bro. I technically speedrun this game. But we're not even 10 minutes in the video. Wait, I gotta go back to my normal avatar. Okay, now I'm gonna be back to... Okay, now I'm back to Big Boy Baby. Yeah. I didn't even know he actually can. I didn't even know he can shoot that out. But that means just because boss lane's here. Nah, bro, I think it's just sword though. That's the problem. Let's go, we beat the boss! I gotta kill myself first. I gotta go back to the full health. Let's go. Oh, this is the exact same boss. Let's go. Go with the freaking green guy. Use it.